full of wisdom. Baby girl, go.
Ureka maundu tofauti. It's different.
Dule no goroki wa Wangeci.
Do and you yourself.
Yes.
Nado matihana naga.
Oh yes.
But now I had learned that therapy really helps. So me, I went back to therapy. Back to Donidajiti therapy. And that's why I'll talk about mental health. Because I knew I am not okay. You have
not
even that. You've gone through you've gone through so much in life. I have not dealt with any emotion at all. I've not dealt with that loss. I've not dealt with the loss of my father. Even because I had to forgive myself. I felt like waste. Slow down. I could be doing better. But you have to forgive yourself. And that's how you know you're growing. No ginyawabe your hair.
Waregarigio ni andu aya wauga riu ni uguthi therapy.
Yes, I gishoka. Tondu ndathiaga gabere gabagi.
Okay, ni ukuguruka.
Yes. Nani I'm not ashamed. It's pressure. My friend, mokaga ginya inbox.
Tareke to mwariri nywe no igwe ni murato twara therapy. Ni ndire mwitaga.
No ona ngigura ndaiguaga ri makendindika ri kihuthira githungu
no wetereire gutindikwo.
I was unearthing unearthing maundu mangi that has nothing to do with kurumo online.
Ni wari ona magesha maku
na kuria timaya
wina backlog
maya ona ngiona mundu rarakara wa mwira kaundu ti kaundu kau wa mwira
ni gukuania etereire riri huti ya ngauge.
And I told someone you have to offload tondu kuri urathie gutira fatara mirigo.
Can I tell you something? Ni ndirakena muno tondu hau niho ndirenda tuthiete hau ni ndu he mundu actually wa guku Media Max wirega gutindikwo guo nena make. She almost committed suicide.
Yes.
Here.
Yeah.
And yo makoiga tuwekeni YouTube live.
Na ni ndakwire gitwaro gia githino gisama.
Tuwekeni. Nituthi hau ha ati you got so bullied ugicoka therapy.
Yes.
Ugithi therapy.
Yes. No ni ndamenyaga ti bullying ino.
No ni atindikire ni ongererwo maguta, ni maguta.
Na hando hau me hau nywe njohire.
Kana we urage.
Hau weke maundu matari na kuria mariri. Why? And ajugaga therapy is an investment. Or you investaga gari yaku kamishenjia maguru. If you have gone through some heavy things in life, you have to invest in therapy. Dere raithi
mora kura ritho nginya ndiraigua ta nguthi ndaumira na stress. Ona ndiuma na maundu maingi ni ndirathikario ko. Ungurire ritho ta riri wa kiruba therapy.